We are heading to Ellensburg. Today's date is March 6th, 2020, of course. Baby Rosina. Uy. This is her first long road trip. Wow.
So I've been focused on the camera.
Yes. Okay, what are you saying?
What's up, people? Welcome to Road Trip 2020.
Oh yeah, this is.
But will be uploaded 2021.
Wait, this road trip is on the thing, the vision board. We said put like road trip.
Okay, very.
So we're currently near like Snoqualmie, but we're actually in like the pathway of Snoqualmie. I don't know, but there's snow tips on the mountains, and it gradually gradients down to regular greenery. I can't talk loud because my voice is gonna break. It's currently 8:20. We have an appointment in Ellensburg Central Washington University at 11 o'clock, and we're gonna take you on our tour. Okay, bye.
Like a permanent marker written in your ink, like a tattoo on your arm, I will never leave. Your touch is so addicting, you got me so conflicted. Your touch is so addicting, you got me so conflicted.
She doesn't like this. I'll just go here on this side.
Okay. Hello. So we're here and we made it to Central Washington University. We're just chilling in front of Starbucks and the parking lot because we came here an hour early. Maybe an hour and a half, but it was a good timing because she was hungry and she was asleep the whole ride. Here is Madame eating. Don't know if you can see her, but she's in there. And here's her. She's very frustrated. She doesn't know how to decide what feeling she like. Don't know. I'm like, nope, I don't understand that. Can't speak that, sorry. Can you see the clouds?
Mom, what say you? Feels like
check
If you guys have a ticket or not.
So we're here already inside the cinema of CW. What are we watching? Frozen?
Texting. We're waiting for more people to show up so they can show a video of the campus, and then we're gonna go on a walking tour and then question and answer. I'm really going to college, guys.
So if you have a consent, you can go there. Included in our tuition insurance. So for things like prescriptions or lab work, there's other, things like that.
So what say you with the tour?
Okay, Naya, you're set for your college.
Okay, so we're touring her college already, which is 2 months old.
You're all set, baby. You just have to make sure you do good in your studies, and you're great. You'll do great in the future. Bye. Whoa, I'm so bright.
Looks like.
Didn't she say that? So we are heading back home. We just finished the Central Washington University in Ellensburg tour, and it was it was a nice school. Like, their campus is really nice, and it has both old and new vibes.
Do you see yourself going there?
Do you see yourself going there? Do I see myself going there? No, there's a part of me that I really liked it because of like the school itself, and it doesn't feel much of a different, like it doesn't feel different, but like if I were to compare Pullman, Washington to Ellensburg, I'd say like Pullman is a more smaller community, and the school is big, but the class ratio is like 30 max students to one professor, depending on what subject. That's what I heard. But then the one over here, they have big lecture groups. Yeah, but it's a really nice school. I would go here if I had a choice. I mean, I do have a choice.
You had a choice.
So what I can say is, I can't compare to Pullman because we haven't been there.
Louder.
I like the school. Like the drive just 2 hours away, Seattle. So
Oh yeah, that's a disclaimer. Bonus. The disclaimer with Pullman and Ellensburg is Pullman is about 6 hours drive from where we live in Washington, and in Ellensburg it's only 2 hours max without traffic. But if it's traffic, you'll probably add like 2 or 1 to both of those places, making it even farther. But both of them have to go through Snoqualmie Pass, and if you don't know what Snoqualmie Pass is, it's very scary. Only in the winter and spring, only winter and fall times when it snows. But probably when it's springtime, it's a really nice view. Two also good things is that it reminds me of home. Both places remind me of home because of how small it is, and because the views, like it's just land, no big buildings. And if you know the community in Maui, it's way different from the Hawaii version that people think every island is, which is Oahu. Yeah, Maui doesn't have that much buildings, and that's what's over here too. So it's currently 2:28 p.m. March 6th, and we are heading back to our hometown in Washington. It's currently raining. The battery is going to die, but ma'am, what do you have to say about Central Washington?
It's nice. It's a nice school. I love it. Yeah. If I go to college, I like go there.
You like Central?
Yeah. It's a nice school. It's not book.
If you guys don't know what book is, Google it.